Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where I've just completed a 2-week ban on YouTube. I've had a second strike, so it really is important. If you want to keep in touch with my work, please head over to Bitchute LBRY. It takes 2 seconds and sub me over there, because I also can't talk about everything I want to talk about on this channel anymore, because I'm just going to be wiped off here. So everything C19 related, everything is all over on Bitchute. So please just take the 2 minutes to go over there and subscribe over there if you want to continue following my work. But today really is an update on the whole Magenta Pixie saga. I wasn't expecting the reaction that I had at all with that video. It has been interesting to say the least, and I'm going to basically, all I'm going to do is give the timeline of what has happened. I'm really not going to spend time dissecting the videos that have been put out by these people since, because they're all, well, I let people be the judge, right? I could sit here and review the reviews of what they're saying about me and my videos, but as I've said before, truth doesn't fear investigation, and I'm quite happy, and in fact I will, to put the links of the videos they have made since as a reaction or response to me and that video that I put out about Magenta Pixie, and I'll link them in the description below. So yeah, I'm not going to go into them in great detail. I'm just going to tell you the timeline and the reaction, the absolute, I mean, I've never had a reaction like it, let's put it that way. I've been in this game for 10 years now, exposing people, exposing the truth, really. I've got no, I'm not into hurting people's feelings, but I'm into the truth, and if the truth does that, then that's just a byproduct. But so let's go over the timeline, and you be the judge. So I put that video out, and almost immediately, within a day, I get hit by a numerous amount of troll comments, abnormally so, as I said in my last video, and then a kind of a video, a really poor, I think it's even like 30 seconds video of me goes out on YouTube, that I'm somehow jealous or something. Again, never had a video made about me that I'm aware of, but that went on YouTube, and so that was that. And then I get an email from YouTube to say that the video is going to be taken down in 7 days, and I will be issued a copyright strike. And this is obviously by the request of Magenta to take the video down. And I can either take it down within the 7 days and not get the copyright strike, or it gets taken down automatically after 7 days and I receive the strike. So I took the video down after 6 days, and so I didn't get the copyright strike, because I'm already, I'm already sort of treading the line, let's say. And in her response videos, she's trying to say that she gave me all these opportunities. No, if you're about truth and freedom of speech, freedom of expression, truth doesn't fear investigation, you do not try and get videos taken down. If you're so confident in your work and what you stand for and these messages you're getting, you would just let that video stand. You'd be of the mindset, do you know what? This is the thing, right? I've got 7,000 subscribers. That video, at the point that it was requested to be taken down, had 1,000 views, right? That is nothing, right? Magenta Pixie has 132,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel, right? I'm like a drop in the ocean. I should be a drop in the ocean. in comparison to her. And we're going to get on to something in a minute, which is even worse. So I get that. So I take the video down after 6 days, and what happened then? So it's still available on Bitchute at this point, and then I go to my Bitchute channel, and it's been censored on Bitchute, right? So at this point I'm fuming because I am financially supporting Bitchute each month, and I've encouraged others to as well, because I believe I did believe it was a free platform, and I'm not going to go too hard and heavy on Bitchute because there's more to this story in a minute. But so anyway, I send Bitchute an email and I say, look, I didn't get any notification that you were taking this video down, and really there is no reason to take it down because there are lots of other review videos, and the only reason that it's been taken down is because the actual producer of the video doesn't like the content. And I basically said that, you know, I'm going to be withdrawing financial support immediately because I've not been told that you're taking this down, and it's against everything that I stand for and I thought that Bitchute stood for. So I'll be withdrawing my financial support, and I'll be advising others to do the same. So anyway, I get an email a couple of hours later, and the video's restored, and they send me an apology and say that it was taken down by accident. Okay, which is fair enough, right? I don't know if that's true, but they've obviously looked at the situation again and reinstated it, and you know, for whatever reason it's back up now, so I'm going to give Bitchute the benefit of the doubt. But it was very interesting that was the only video. I don't know how many I've uploaded to Bitchute now. It's like 100 videos on there now. That was the only one that was censored. So obviously they're just joining the dots. There must have been communication between Bitchute and Magenta Pixie for that one to be censored, because there's no other reason as to why it would be that one that was, or you know, mistakenly censored. So anyway, it's back up. You know, Bitchute, it is what it is. It was a bit weird. They've put it back up, so you know, fair enough. I'll let sleeping dogs lie on that one. So then the story gets really interesting because Jeffrey Daugherty, this guy who also has around about 56,000 subscribers, makes a response video. He comes galloping in like a white knight. Bearing in mind, I've been on this guy's show. Twice, right? I don't know if you can still see my interviews on there. I don't know if he's kept them up, but we kind of had I wouldn't say relationship, but we had a connection, let's say. So he makes this very bizarre video, and he makes all kinds of ad hominem attacks about me, how I'm nasty, and I've made these vicious attacks on Magenta, and how Magenta's such a wonderful person, and how, you know, she stands in integrity and light, and, you know, even though in the background she's trying to get me taken down and my videos taken down, it's not very love and light, is it? But it was so bizarre. Like, why would Jeffrey Daugherty get involved? Why would the video, I'm going to link it in the description, it's 45 minutes long. It's just a rambling, a long rambling, basically playing the white knight, saying how bad I am, how I'm, what was the words that he used? You know, there's something that I'm not happy about in me, you know, this like new age passive aggressiveness that I should review, and, you know, you should watch it. I mean, it's unbelievable, and it's very clear that those two are linked somehow, and and they're all kind of batting for the same team. He's very into Trump and how Trump's going to save everyone and blah, blah, blah. But then on the other hand, he's saying that Magenta Pixie doesn't tell people that someone's coming to save us when we should all be watching Trump and the Council of Nine and hanging off every word that they say. Very, very bizarre. Very bizarre that this guy has come out of nowhere. This guy that I've had 2 interviews with, and not only that, he sends me a personal email, and I'm gonna try and put it in this video. I'll scrub out his email address, but he sends me a personal email basically saying that I should take down the video. I don't know where the guy gets off. It's quite arrogant to send someone an email and tell them to take down some of their content. I would never dream of there's loads of content of his that I don't agree with. Can you imagine if I sent him an email? I don't agree with that interview that you did with blah blah, so I feel like you should take that down. Wouldn't do it. Never done it. It's up to him what he puts out. He's got free speech. And so if you do want to, it's just bizarre. If you want to watch it just to see how bizarre it is, I'll link it in the description. But it's just a load of nothing, and it's just basically all these ad hominem attacks on me and how Magenta's this wonderful, amazing person, and we should all support her. Basically, he's basically come out. So you've got Magenta with 132,000 subscribers. You've got Jeffrey Daugherty with 56,000 subscribers. And you've got me with 7,000 subscribers over a video that had 1,000 views when it got taken down. Why the response? Why are they going mental about little old me? And I know why it is, because that video was bloody good. And I'm not blowing my own trumpet. It was bloody good because I broke it down very, very well in terms of the hypnotic, the hypnoticness of it, and also the subliminals. They're trying to make light of all the subliminals that was put in the video, saying the butterflies mean metamorphosis and all that kind of stuff. Well, even so, the butterfly is very suggestible to the human subconscious. And it can be used to, almost make the mind more malleable in terms of receiving messages. So very, very bizarre that he's got involved. And I'm not here to say any bad mouth him or anything. I'm just telling you the timeline. I don't have to be here saying, when he said this is this. When he said that, this. No. Listen to it. Feel free. Be my guest. Listen to what he says. I trust my viewers have discernment. I don't feel the need to break down anything. I'm just telling you what's going on. So then I gets the email. Then Magenta puts a response video on her brand new YouTube channel. And again, similar kind of stuff, ad hominem attacks, how she I can't even remember what she says in it. It's just a load of waffle. But I'll link it in the description below. Obviously, it's a response to my video, and they keep referring to me as the new age whistleblower. They won't say my actual name because they've already driven a lot of people to my channel, even just by using that. I've had a lot of people that have come over and they've said, "Oh, I was sent here by Magenta, and I've just subscribed to you." So, they always end up shooting themselves in the foot. But she says things like, "Oh, and all his subscribers are in the comments, lining up all these other creators that he should review." And she actually says names, LBRY Lad, and I forget the others. But now obviously they're on my radar because this is what I've worked out. I've worked out that Jeffrey Daugherty, Magenta Pixie, Simon Parks, LBRY Lad probably, Laura Eisenhower, they're all in some kind of web, right? This is like what I've done inadvertently is I have stumbled upon a new age web, and they're all connected. And as soon as she named those names, I was like, right, they're the ones that I need to focus on then, because just by their reaction to my video and the people that she's got involved has made me think there's something up with these people. They've got something to hide, because you just wouldn't react in the way that you've reacted like that. So yeah, again, I'll link that in the description. So she does that response video. Then what happens? Oh yeah, so I forgot to mention that I get the copyright strike warning, and then a day after that I put some other content out which was completely unrelated, and I get another YouTube strike, and I'm not allowed to post for 2 weeks. So that was that. And then finally, what happened then? Oh yeah, finally, then Magenta Pixie's partner, husband, who apparently makes the videos, does this really weird, creepy tour of his house where he's trying to like mock what I'm saying, where he's zooming in on like different symbols. They've got butterflies in their house, and there's a skull and things like that. And he's trying to be ironic, he's trying to be funny, he's trying to passively aggressively put down my message in that video. And again, I won't go into it all, but it's pretty weird, it's pretty creepy. So basically there's been like 3 response videos, emails for me to take the video down, and a copyright strike on a video with 1,000 views. So I don't even think I have to say anything more about this, because you can all work it out for yourself, because the reaction compared to the response to the video is way over the top. And I think I've stirred up a hornet's nest, and I'm gonna keep investigating this, because I do feel that there is this like new age web where all these people are involved, and they're hooking all these other people into this web, and they're all getting each other to follow each other. Magenta Pixie is like, go over to Jeffrey Daugherty and subscribe, and vice versa. Jeffrey Daugherty saying go over to Magenta and look at her work, and so they're trying to like encapsulate all these people that have fallen into the new age. And then obviously where they're heavily promoting Trump as like a savior, obviously all those people are being funneled into that, and this Council of Nine and these channeled beings, whereby they're going to be of that mindset. Well, they're saying that, oh, we don't tell people not to do anything, but it's still a deception, because you're telling people to listen to Trump, who's a politician, and the Council of Nine that are channeled beings. So that's still, you're still getting people to look outside of themselves for the answers, right? So yeah, I'm going to link all these guys. Check them out if you want. They're pretty boring, some of them, I've got to say. If you want to sit through them, it's up to you. But just so you can see what the hell is going on here. It's been crazy, it really has. And yeah, so again, just check me out over on Bitchute and LBRY. Yeah, I'll keep you updated, and I'll speak to you all soon. So have a great day and take care. Bye now.